want to share with you an authentic and delicious Chile Colorado made at home with lots of love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I am ready to show you the ingredients. These ingredients are the best because this Chile Colorado comes out delicious. We're gonna start with the spices. I have cumin, salt to taste, oregano, garlic powder, beef bouillon, black pepper, 2 garlic cloves. For the amazing sauce, I have 4 chile pasilla pots, 3 garlic cloves, 6 chile guajillo pots, 1/4 of an onion, 2 bay leaves, tomato, and optional 3 chiles de árbol. And of course the star, the pork beef. This is everything we need to prepare this amazing, authentic Chile Colorado. So let's get started. I want to start by first waking up my garlic cloves. I have 3 garlic cloves that I'm going to wake up so that I could add it into the meat. I have 2 pounds of the pork shoulder in little squares, of course, bite sizes. And now I'm adding my 3 garlic cloves. I am going to add 1 cup of water, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Remember that the salt is to taste. Once you have everything in here, put it to cook in medium heat. And now I'm ready to prepare the amazing red sauce, el Chile Colorado. I'm adding 3 chile pasilla pots, 6 chile guajillo pots, 3 chile de árbol optional, and 1/4 of an onion. Here I'm adding the tomato and I'm just slicing through the center. I am going to add some water, and then I'm going to take it and start cooking it until the chiles are nice and soft, hydrated, and the tomatoes are just barely cooked. Look at this. This Chile Colorado really comes out delicious and amazing, and this is a very easy and delicious recipe. Once it's boiling, just turn it off and then just let it rest until it comes to room temperature. And here, let me show you how the meat is cooking. It's been cooking for about 20 minutes. Look at this, no more liquid on the bottom. The meat is already nice and tender, nice and moist. And I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil. I really want to brown it really good, making sure that it's golden brown. You decide how brown you want it, but the meat should be nice and tender at this moment. So now what I'm doing, I'm going to leave it open. I'm not going to cover it anymore. And I'm going to continue browning this pork shoulder. Remember, just cook it at medium heat. Once you start seeing that it's getting nice and golden brown, you decide how golden brown you want it. Just make sure that you're moving it around. Once it's like this, I am going to just leave it here for a couple minutes. I want to show you how it looks. It's barely getting nice and golden brown. The aroma just amazing, and here it's really getting crispy. That's exactly how I love to cook this meat. And now I am ready to add all the spices right on the top. I'm going to cover everything. I'm going to incorporate everything in here, mix it around, let it cook for a couple more minutes so that meat really absorbs all the amazing spices. Remember, we are cooking it in medium heat. And now let's make our amazing and delicious Chile Colorado. I am going to add everything into my blender. Look at this. I'm going to start adding all the tomatoes, all the chilies nice and hydrated, and I'm going to use the same liquid where they were boiling in. I'm not going to use just water. I'm going to use the same liquid because the liquid has all those amazing flavors of the chili pots. So here I'm just going to add the same liquid where they were cooking. And now, of course, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. And the salt is to taste. And now I'm ready to blend away. We want this nice and smooth. So take your time blending this for a couple minutes. We're not going to put it through a sifter. We're going to make sure that we blend it really good. If your blender doesn't blend really good, then you have to put it through a sifter and make sure there's no big pieces of the chili pods. Look at this. This Chile Colorado comes out amazing every time. I am going to add it into the meat. I'm going to incorporate it really good, and don't forget to add your Baileys. I am going to add 2 Baileys. I'm going to cover it and cook it for another 20 minutes. You really want the meat to absorb all those amazing flavors of the Chile Colorado. Once it starts boiling from the center, add your 2 Baileys. Continue cooking for another 20 minutes. And then this meat is going to be perfect and delicious. If you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. This is a delicious homemade recipe. Look at this. I can't wait to enjoy. I can't wait to show you and taste this amazing and traditional Chile Colorado. Easy to make with very few ingredients, and of course the taste is just amazing. I am ready to prepare my plate. Of course, I have this white rice with corn that you already have on my channel. And let's start plating this amazing recipe. Look at this. Look how amazing this looks. I hope, my friends, you give it a try and you enjoy this amazing Chile Colorado at home. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing Chile Colorado. Authentic, delicious, and the best thing, made at home with lots of love. Excuse me. It's so delicious. Let me tell you, it really came out amazing. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Of course, and with the amazing and delicious, refreshing lemonade of pineapple and cucumber. Just perfection, made at home. You already have this amazing recipe on my channel. So refreshing. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying this amazing Chile Colorado made at home with lots of love. Bye-bye.